Then, also, and
This is the sound of tranquil. Tranquil. Tranquil.
The fastest animals on land because they have special traits. For example, they have long, muscular legs. They also have long tails that help them turn. Finally, they have tough claws that grip the ground as they run. Great. Now there's just one more
Are you going to do one about Pidgeotto? What? Are you going to do one about Pidgeotto?
I don't know.
Or Serperior?
Sums up the paragraph.
Or Igglybuff?
I have Igglybuff?
Yeah. That's the pre-evolved form of Jigglypuff.
All these
Igglybuff?
special traits show that cheetahs are built for speed. What do you think, Moby? Now I'm almost done. The last step is to proofread my work and make sure I don't have any spelling or grammar mistakes. Hey, Moby, can you look over it too? Moby?
Awesome. Awesome.
That's it for today. Bye.